Watching videos has been the widely practiced form of entertainment all across the globe. May it be a movie, series, or documentary. But what's interesting is that watching these things not only entertains but can also generate income. How? Keep watching. Welcome back to Passive Income, where we turn dreams into streams of income. Before anything else, you know the drill. Do not hesitate to hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. With that, you will never miss a single upload that talks about how to earn passively. Today, we will be looking into these 3 websites that are paying you to watch your favorite movies. If there's nothing else, let's start. Number 1, filmtagger. This is a movie recommendation tool for writers, directors, producers, movie enthusiasts, and students like you and me. What I'm about to reveal is a secret that many movie watchers are unaware of, and it could potentially earn you a decent amount of money if you stick with me through this video. On this site, you can discover movies you love. They're categorized by genre, theme, location, and more. These buttons provide lists of popular similar movies and themes, or simply help you find movies. Whether you're a dedicated film buff seeking the best movies or a film student prioritizing essential films for studies, filmtagger is the ideal way to find your movies. Now let's search for the movie Money Monster in this search box. The website will display a matching result page showing the movie title and its poster. On the right, you'll see the genres matching this movie highlighted. These will be crucial in just a moment, so stay tuned for exclusive tips to maximize your earnings. Number 2, Netflix. Jobs tags are really important, and I'll explain why by talking about Netflix, the second website on our list. If you can't find it, just search for jobs. Netflix.com. On Netflix, you can sign up to be a movie tagger, which means you help organize and label movies and TV shows. And guess what? You get paid for it. Netflix hires taggers to sort through the huge number of movies and shows they have. As a tagger, your job is to watch stuff on Netflix and then come up with words that people might use to find those movies or shows. This job can make you up to $300 a day just by watching and tagging stuff. You have to give details about the cast and also say why people might want to watch the movie or show. Right now, the only place you can find Netflix tagger jobs is on their website, so if you want to be a tagger, keep an eye out. Search for tagger on their jobs page and look through the results. There might not be any openings right now, but it's worth checking regularly. Lots of people apply for these jobs, so you've got to stay on top of it if you want to get in. Number 3, wintub. The last website we're exploring is wintub.com. Here, you'll notice 2 primary ways to make money. First, you can watch videos like ads, movies, and TV shows online. Second, you can earn by referring friends. Once you reach the minimum amount in your account, you can transfer the money to your bank account, PayPal, or even your GCash account. Over 1,500 brands, including those featured here, have partnered with wintub.com to provide new videos for you to watch each time. To start using, just click this button here, then fill in your details. First name, last name, date of birth, gender, email address, and password. Don't forget to complete the CAPTCHA and click Create Account. You'll see $5 already credited to my account. Pretty cool, right? Now let me show you how to earn even more. Click the play button on a video and it will redirect you to another ad website. Close it and click play again. You only need to watch for 34 seconds. Keep an eye on the countdown timer below the video. After 34 seconds, click complete. Then repeat the process for the next ad website. A success message will appear on your dashboard, indicating you've received 61 cents. Just refresh the page to see the updated balance. You can repeat this process for videos 2 through 5. The only downside is you can only watch 5 videos every 24 hours. And that's it. Simple as that. Thank you for tuning into our video today. We hope to see you again next time.